It's less fun than it looks, but I'm still having fun.
For the previous 3 years, I've been attending Open Source in San Francisco with my best friend Tom. Open Source is a weekend where like-minded creators come together to showcase their creations of all sorts, and it's just a wild weekend of fun. For this year, we thought we'd take part and bring our own creation as well. For years I've seen of railway pump carts that people used to travel around, and I love the way the up and down motion turns into rotational motion. Now, as much as I love designing things, my CAD talents are limited. However, with the help of Tom and a few nights of FaceTime, we managed to come together with a design we thought could work. The idea for this project, everything will be 3D printed on a Prusa XL, Core 1 and Mark IVs. The majority printed in PLA for ease, and they all print super nice on these printers. Oh yeah, that is nice.
That's the crank.
That's the crank, mate. After days of printing, we had like 90% of the parts we need. You tell me where they go, and I'll put them there. Routine like that, you know. I'm just gonna keep screwing until I see a checkered flag. Oh Jesus!
Hard to find the issues, but like looking at it, I think it's feasible. On Excel probably.
You just sit here.
For 1 second.
And you can play this.
She's observation.
She's obsessed.
The situation.
And now being a dad, it wouldn't be a project without my little helper. It'll go.
Yeah, you're going to do it.
Yeah, let's get it going. Look at that. Fits perfect, mate.
Yeah?
Tom,
Whoa,
you are becoming Ivan.
So Mr. Flynn, you shook hand, take it.
What do you think of him?
He's an okay engineer. I'll give him a few tips here and there.
What do you think of Mr. Sam?
He's an okay pilot. But good.
You are a pilot?
And with every engineering piece, tolerances must be tested. I messed up.
What do you mean?
Can you put it
Is it actually stuck? Like,
It's quite
you're not joking.
We'll give it a pull and find out.
Pull?
Oh, just get my finger.
Oh! Wait, what? What did that just come out?
Well, just gotta relax. I'll put my finger back in there.
No problem.
Get the hammer.
So you need to clamp that shaft on the bottom now. Clamp the shaft on the bottom, yeah?
Yeah, I'm excited, so.
Huh?
What?
In
Get
the
your ass down now, I need guidance. Oh yeah.
What?
Issue.
What?
Who designed that?
What? No, you just move it along the shaft. You haven't got the bolt all the way in.
That's what I mean, but.
Just keep tying it.
Yes, boss. Sorry,
all the way in.
no last questions, I just take it on.
Hey! It moves!
I think it'll be pumping quite quickly, you know.
There's a 2-to-1 ratio to the back there.
Oh, that's true, yeah. All that was left to do was to assemble the rest of the frame, the wheels which use a scooter wheel for, and connect it all together. This did take longer than I thought it would. It took us 2 days to print everything and connect it all together. I think I was getting tired. Now earlier on we wanted a longer piece, now it's too short. Where's the thingy gone? Who's stolen my bit?
Probably this one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Are we ready?
Alright, let's go.
Right.
There's a bit of a downhill. Yes! I don't know. Oh shit!
It's like it's trying to slid up. It doesn't, it's slipping, it's slipping.
It's so
so good.
This is hard work.
Mate, you're running on half a hub, literally.
Oh, so much easier on the flat. And of course, with all her hard work, the little helper had to have a go as well. Briefly followed by our big helper as well, Rudolph.
It goes! Yeah. Bye, Ruda. Yeah, this is better.
It's hard work, isn't it?
So let's talk about the specifications. It's 100% 3D printed, with the exception of the bearings, shafts and the tyres. All in Prusament PLA, apart from the crank, which we use Prusament PC Blend, as it's super strong. The parts are printed in a range of infills of no less than 50%. The total weight is 32 kilograms. If you did want to make your own, the link's in the description below to Printables. But for now, it was time for the next mission. I need to get all of this into here. I have no idea how I'm going to do that. No. Shoot. And I've got this side here for my clothes. What a mess. Did I bring my hammer? I did bring the hammer, yes. The corrector. I hope no one's sleeping. Making a pump cart in a hotel. That's sleeping massive, mate. Right, I have a problem.
So we're having a sprocket slippage issue on the shaft.
I don't know why it's slipping. It's slipping more than it did before because what?
There's like 4 bolts through this. Oh.
I didn't tighten the wheels, mate.
You didn't tighten the wheels.
It was slipping on the wheels, not the hub, and I've cracked it all by like trying to like keep. I was like, why is it slipping so much? Because it wasn't. Yeah.
So it's the wheels.
It's the wheels.
Tighten them up. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Absolute sausage.
So good. Yeah, repair center. Mate, I'm so hot. We should train it.
What do you think of the Pump Kart?
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah.
So what do you think of it?
I love the orange.
Yeah, it's a Prussian orange.
Very vibrant and evidently strong enough to support the full weight of 2 men
Yeah, it's
inching along.
They start them young and then they leave the nest. It was a nice pump cart.
Quite a workout.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, how did you like it?
It was amazing. It was absolutely fantastic. I think this is the future of transportation.
Just don't go uphill.
That's a lobster running around. Lobster, lobster, lobster. What are your opinions on pumping?
Pumping's hard work when it looks like. Maybe people think that's a lot of fun. It's less fun than it looks. But I'm still having fun.
You're gonna be ripped by the end of open source.
I'm not ready. Why does everyone laugh when I say that? Need a break. I've been going for so long.
That was great, thank you.
Yeah, no, thank you. I'm sorry it ended so quickly.
Okay, I'm not cold at all now.
So there you have it. A brilliant week away with your best mate. There's not much more you can ask for.
We're in the lift through a punk. We're not going anywhere. I'm clicking the button.